mbere ya mucirithania Lucia Mbasi igoti-ini ria Busia Ekuirwo aya anana ni mareganire na thitango yati ni matharikire na mahiga ngari ya munini wa President ari kameme mwena ucio na ugo mucirithania amuima bodi na gwathana mahingirwo njera-ini ya Corridor GK Prison kuria cira wao ukagwetwo tariki 5 mweri tororete mwaka uyu.
I am persuaded by the prosecution counsel Mr. Namasake that there are grounds to deny you bond. However, as suggested, I'm going to allow a pre-bail report to be submitted before this court.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, Senator wa Lamu Anwar Loitiptip ni akinyirio igoti-ini mwena wa Nanyuki kuria athitangirwo na mahetia ma kuhuthira mucinga na njira iria tabatie kuria aguraririe mutumia umwe uria utambulikanite ta Joy Makena mari kiharo-ini gia Kanu. Maabitha uthuthuria mekurite igoti rimuhingire thiko 5 niguo marikiriria uthuthuria wao, no mucirithania Vincent Masivo ni areganire na ihoya riri na kurekereria seneta uyu na bodi ya shiringi milioni 1 kana mbeca baribari nuthu milioni. Hamwe na uguo, seneta uyu ni athirwo akoragwo akihura riboti o thutha wa thiko 2 kuria abitha wa uthuthuria Nanyuki no ndakonekane agikara kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Kugena ku Mojoria Francis Nyagajeru ni andikithitie mateta kuri kamiti ya utungata wa muingi ma kwenda munene wa thitango cia muingi Nordin Haji akorwo akieherio wabici-ini akirikana ndarahuthira wabici yake wega na ni agite waragania. Maya timo mateta ma mbere megie Haji.
Shall do them perform their duties according to the mandate given to them.
Mimi nina kesi na hiyo kesi iko na ni kesi inafaa kuendelea, lakini yeye hataendelea kama Director of Public Prosecution na kesi hiyo.
We have charged the DPP before the Public Service Commission. To us, he has taken a plea pursuant to the constitutional provision of Article 158.
Na muthia kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, muingi wa Kiambu ni utanyitwo kuguneka na motungata magufundithio maundu matiganite megi watho ma kumateithiriria macira-ini matiganite.
We have a lot of succession cases. We have a lot of civil cases which we call running down cases. That is cases where people are involved in accidents and so they come to court to be compensated for the injury occasioned to them. I've also noticed that there are a lot of quite a number of environment and land cases.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ngwataniro ya mawakiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Beth Mwangi, macira maingi kaunti-ini ino ni maria marakuruhana na ugai wa indo.
Client aitu mawaidha makonainie na watho tutakumarihia. Thiini wa mwaka uyu turageria kuona uria clients kana members of the public magihota gukinya igoti-ini uria makuhota kusolve maundu mao thiini wa watho.
Ngiribotera Kameme.